A diagnosis is the name of the illness that the doctor gives after checking your body and listening to your symptoms, so the doctor can know exactly what problem you have. A prescription is a paper from the doctor. It has the medicine's name and dosage. You take it to the pharmacy to get the medicine. 3. Symptoms. Symptoms are the problems that you feel in your body when you are sick, such as fever, cough, headache, or pain, and you tell them to the doctor. Treatment is the thing that the doctor gives you to help you get better, such as medicine, rest, exercises, or other medical help. An examination is when the doctor checks your body, like your throat, heart, stomach, or ears, to find out what is wrong.
An infection happens when germs, bacteria, or viruses enter your body and make you sick, like in your throat, ear, or chest.
Inflammation is when a part of your body becomes swollen, red, or painful because of illness or injury. For example, I have inflammation in my throat. An allergy is when your body reacts badly to something like food, dust, medicine, or animals, and it can make you sneeze, itch, or feel sick. Recovery is the time when your body starts getting better after an illness, injury, or surgery, and you slowly return to normal. A consultation is the meeting where you talk to the doctor about your health problem. The doctor gives you advice and a treatment plan. This helps you understand your condition and feel better. A patient is the person who goes to the doctor or hospital because they are sick or need medical help. The patient is waiting outside. A physician is a doctor who checks sick people, gives medical advice, and helps treat illnesses. It's a more formal word than doctor. For example, the physician checked my heart. Medication is the medicine that you take to feel better or control an illness, and it can be tablets, syrup, cream, or injections. Therapy is a type of treatment that helps your body or mind improve. For example, physical therapy uses exercises to help your body get stronger. Mental health therapy lets you talk through your feelings and thoughts. Surgery is a medical operation where a doctor fixes a problem inside the body when medicine alone is not enough. The doctor makes an incision, repairs the issue, and then closes the wound with sutures. A vaccine helps your body fight illness before you get sick. It shows your immune system what a virus looks like, so your body can make antibodies to fight it. Then, if the real virus comes, you're protected. A dose is the amount of medicine that you should take one time, such as 1 tablet or 1 spoonful. For example, take 1 dose every morning. A side effect is an unwanted problem that happens after taking medicine, such as feeling sleepy, dizzy, or sick. Example, this medicine has a side effect. Chronic means a disease or health problem that lasts for a long time, sometimes for months or years. For example, asthma is a chronic illness. Acute means a health problem that starts suddenly and is usually strong or painful, but it often does not last a long time. For example, he has acute stomach pain. A fracture is a broken bone that usually happens after a fall, accident, or strong hit to the body. For example, she has a fracture in her arm. A bandage is the cloth or material that you put on a wound or injury to protect it and keep it clean. Example, the nurse put on a bandage. A wound is an injury on the skin or body, such as a cut, burn, or open injury. For example, he has a wound on his hand. A scan is a picture of the inside of your body that the doctor uses to look for problems that cannot be seen from the outside. Example, the doctor asked for a scan. An X-ray is a picture that shows the inside of your body, especially your bones or chest, so the doctor can check for problems. A blood test is when a small sample of your blood is taken and checked to see if there is a health problem in the body. Example, I had a blood test today. Temperature is the heat level of your body. And if it is high, it usually means that you have a fever. For example, my temperature is high. An emergency is a serious health problem that needs very fast medical help, like trouble breathing, bleeding, or severe pain. An appointment is the time and date you choose to see the doctor, and you go to the clinic at that time. Example, I have an appointment at 10 a.m. A referral is when one doctor sends you to another doctor or specialist because you need more specific medical care. Example, The doctor gave me a referral.